Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 19th of July. And first of all, national news. Public banks in real danger of privatization, bank officers' body. Vistara prepared to merge staff into Air India amid antitrust concern. For G20 19, Delhi Police women commandos to be frontline sharpshooters. Disney said to approach court in legal challenge against Google's in-app billing system. ISRO successfully completed third orbit raising maneuver for Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft. Not inactive. Income Tax Department shared 3 consequences of inoperative ban. Cyclone likely to form over Bay of Bengal in next 24 hours. India, France agreed to co-develop next-generation military equipment. Indian building surpassed Pentagon to become world's largest office. Portal launch to help 10 crore Sahara depositors get refund. Now some international news. US tourists detained by North Korea after crossing the border from South Korea. US national crossed into North Korea during border tour, UN command. UK's illegal migration bill contradicts international law, United Nations. French president sticked with prime minister after pension crisis. Looking to buy NASAM's air defense system from US, Taiwan. Bob Dylan put Scottish Manson on sale for nearly $4 million. Given 4 days to report to a grand jury in Capitol riots, prop Trump. In 2023, El Nino has returned, heating up the oceans. China Foreign Minister's mystery absence fuels black box concern. Now some sports news. Wrestling Federation ad hoc panel handed direct Asian Games entries to Bajrang Punia, Vinesh Phogat. Novak Djokovic got a record fine for shattering racket in Wimbledon final. India will face Pakistan in the final group stage match in the ongoing ACC Emerging Asia Cup. Smriti Mandhana moved up to 6th. Harmanpreet Kaur dropped to 8th in ICC Women's ODI rankings. PV Sindhu slipped to world number 17, lowest ranking in over a decade. The India A versus Pakistan A ACC Men's Emerging Asia Cup 2023 match will be played on Wednesday, July 19. Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy smashes Guinness World Record with fastest badminton hit. Harmeet Desai claimed non-selection from Asian Games singles event unfair. Sunil Gavaskar came up with a few suggestions to improve the situation for West Indies cricket. Virat Kohli scored a half century against West Indies in the first test. Now news related to business. Complimentary NFTs for crypto taxpayers in India. Tax notes hatches game plan. Sensex Nifty touch fresh record high levels in early trade. And India needs average annual 7.6% GDP growth to become developed by 2047, RBI. News related to science. Groundbreaking new Alzheimer's drug slowed progression of the disease. A study found. Weather related news. World should prepare to face increasingly intense heat waves, United Nations. Extremely heavy rain to Clober, Gujarat on July 19 to 20. IMD warned of flash floods in Saurashtra Kaksh this week. Maharashtra on red alert. Extremely heavy rain to soak Konkan, Goa and Madhya Maharashtrian Ghats on July 18 to 19. And that's all in news. Thank you.